How to install Vanguard for Valorant. In this video, I will show you how you can actually do that manually. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your desktop and click on your search bar. From in there, you just need to head over and search in here for Valorant. So for example, let's search in here for that. And for example, this is Valorant right here. So what you can do is you need to make sure to open this as an administrator. So you can head over and then do so for this one right there and run it as an admin. You need to also disable antivirus or firewall for that. So you can also search in here for firewall. Head over and click on this firewall and network protection. And then this will open in here this right there. As you can see, our firewall is on the main network, private as well as public. If you want to actually allow or restore this default, you can click onto this option right here, and then this will open this. You can choose in here the allowed apps that are allowed to bypass our firewall. Now, next thing you need to do is you need to clear the temp files. To do that, click onto the Windows R on your keyboard, search in here for temp, and then click on OK. You can find in here all of the temp files that you currently have. So make sure to remove all of those temp files that you can see under this and delete all those files. And also reinstall Vanguard manually by going over to the Valorant directory, and then from in there you can actually just choose the MSI installer and then install the file from the right Vanguard folder. Now next thing you can do is to check for updates on your Windows because your operating system and drivers are the ones that are interfering with that as well. So let's choose in here for system update. You can search for here for that and then click on this. And once you have clicked on it, make sure to click on the button that allows to check for updates, and once it's done, you should be able to do so. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you. And if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.